Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Crafting with Holly. I wanted to pop in here and share with you the Let's Go Anywhere card making workshop and the bonus ideas that I've created with these cards. I always typically I try to create a better and best option with the basic cards, the good option that the company creates, and they look beautiful just by themselves, but there's something to be said about just popping and elevating them and just creating that wow factor. So this workshop is still available. I will pop the comments down below. I will give you the details where you can find this workshop. It is still available on my website through the end of this month while supplies last. And then I also wanted to do a call out to Tina's workshop. Her products are also still available, and I will drop those in the comments below for you as well. This stamp and thin cut is only available in the Let's Go Anywhere card making workshop. And oh my goodness, I had so much fun with this, you guys. This is card number 1, and this is the good option. It's just the way the company created it. It's fabulous. Look at this faux technique that I'm going to teach you for creating that leather aged look to paper. And then the better option is just adding the pine glitter paper. What a difference just that little pop of color and shimmer does. And then this is the best option. I love making interactive pieces, and this would be a great way to add some cash or a gift card for any of your little travelers that are going to go exploring with you. This is card number 2. And again, here is the good option, just the way the company made it. It looks amazing just by itself. Lots of dimension with foam tape. This is the, let's see, this is the better option, just adding glitter paper again to the back of this. It truly just gives you that wow factor. And then this is just creating a faux front for the best option. I really like doing that. It's truly simple, but just makes a powerful punch. And then for card number 3, this is the good option. Again, I love making that distressed paper look with water and crumpling your paper. It's going to be so much fun to teach you. And you let it dry overnight, and it really looks like an antique piece of paper or, you know, a scroll. It's really so cool to do. Adding that glitter paper, again, just adds that powerful punch. And then I couldn't resist, but I had to turn this into an easel card, and you're going to love the instructions when I teach you how to do that. And then here is the last card. It's a slimline. Again, just a nice basic slimline card. This is what it looks like when you just add the better option, which is some glitter paper. Whoops, I think this is the one. This is just a nice option. It just, again, sparkles and shines whenever it hits light. And then I had to turn this one into an easel because it's not every day that you make an easel card out of a slimline card. So that is the best option for card number 4. So I hope that you will join us. Our Palooza will be in, let's see, today is April. It will be our May. Yes, May. I'm so sorry, you guys. My brain is not thinking clearly right now. May will be our Palooza for Let's Go Anywhere. So I hope you will join us. It's a Facebook event. You just buy your supplies that you need from Let's Go Anywhere, and I will add you to the private Facebook group when we launch it a week before the event. Thanks again for joining me, you guys. And please do not forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on YouTube as I share my crafting journeys with you. Thanks, everyone. Have a great weekend.